back to the channel. Today we're gonna be making a video on my car. I'm gonna install the diffusers. My mechanic here, once he wakes up, he's gonna help me install them. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prep those. I'm gonna paint them and clear coat them, so they'll be ready. All right, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so these are finally done. There it is. It has 5 coats of paint. 5 coats of paint. And about 3 coats of clear coat. So now let's prep the car. Alright, so first things first. I'm gonna unscrew these bolts that are holding this back piece.
Dad, what new?
Those off. Alright, I think we're ready. So we took out the license plate, and there was bolts right here too. Right here and right there. So our mechanic just took them off, so they should be able to come out. Let's give it a try. So one more thing that we forgot, we gotta take off this reflector lights from each side. And there is 2 screws, 1 and 2, and then to another side. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off too. Alright guys, so we just pull those 2 bolts out and we pull the whole thing out. No effort at all. So now we're gonna start drilling holes. So we could drill the thing and screw it on there. Bam. Alright, so everything is bolted. It's ready to go. Ready to go. Gotta put it back in there. Alright, so we're pretty much done. I just got my mechanic wrapping things up. You got it there?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it looks like. What you guys think? Looks better? Same? Don't really matter? Alright guys, it's all done.